Hello human beings, and welcome to another episode. Well, I don't know what other episode to call this. I apologize in advance for that noise. There's currently some welding work going on in my compound. We are making some furniture. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and I hope it is an interesting video. I am currently heading out. I'm attending an event for bloggers and influencers in Abuja. A brand is having its launch today and decided to invite some of us to come sit, interact, and get connected and kind of see whether or not we are going to be a good fit for the various brands that we will be collaborating under this brand. So let's see how today goes. At the View in ShopRite, we say. Actually never knew there was a ShopRite that existed here. This was actually my first time getting here. Well, thank God that Kuku don't have money this year, so I cannot be making any impromptu restaurant trips or restaurant reviews because I burnt out all my cash last year. So now I am on a almost zero account, no current stable income. I haven't touched mine yet, and waiting for the event to start. It was supposed to start at 4, but it is 4:15. But this is Nigeria, so everything Kuku goes. Vanessa is here, styled by Ohaha. Ohaha's cooking. It's 4:30. 4:30, but we are still here.
This is exactly what I knew was going to happen because I've been ready since 3. I sat down and I said,
we're still here. More familiar faces are actually pulling up. I can see Debs. Hello.
Today, we have to think as a part of knowledge of beauty and wellness while we are awakening our consciousness. I don't know if you can hear me over the loud music. Well, we literally just finished, and the time is 7:13. Not bad, but that's actually bad. Because it was supposed to start at 4, we didn't kick off until almost 5. And we had a very eventful day. But we always move regardless. So I will see you when next time we come camera. First off, public service announcements. I am in pain. I enjoyed myself in the kitchen. And I tell you, kitchen work is very hazardous. Trust me, it is. So, a few days ago, I attended the Perfect Trust Beauty and Wellness cocktail party for influencers and bloggers in Abuja. And you've probably just finished watching all of that. So, this is today, some days later. Don't judge. And I'm going to be unboxing the very interesting box of goodies that we were given. Super cute. It smells new. So let's Oh, okay. Nice. Nothing goes out. So it says, Perfect Trust Beauty and Wellness. Thank you for attending our event. We look forward to collaborating with you. Do enjoy your products. Cheers. I love the word cheers. I don't know why. It just makes me feel very posh and touche. Cheers. So this is what is in the box. So the very first thing in the box is sort of like a catalog about the brand itself, Perfect Trust. So it's just basically introducing the brand again, the services they offer, the brands that they have collaborated with. They're like Cantu, Aveeno, Maybelline, Neutrogena. Oh, that's nice. Palmer's, Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and rich, very cute handy little pamphlets that can also, act as a fan. Times when NAPA decides to strike. Product ranges from As I Am. So the Hydration Elation Intensive Conditioner, Double Butter Cream Rich Daily Moisturizer, Twist Defining Cream, oh my goodness, and the Coral Clarity Shampoo. This came right in time because I'm preparing to make my hair. As in, I want to make my hair next week. And now I have things I can use. Then you have an As I Am pamphlet about us, about the products that they have given, and all their other products. They even have a line for people with dry and itchy scalp. I can't relate. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm proud. Cannot relate. Also have a bonnet dryer attachment. So I am guessing where's like this, you attach it to your you attach it to your blow dryer, and okay, yeah, I'm correct. More sharp girl. I'm a sharp what? Sharp babe. And that is still not all. We still have quite a number of stuff left. Orange Daily Anti-Aging Tri-Retinol Complex Vitamin C. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I am still plagued with like acne scars. Okay, these ones are my freckles, but I have like some terrible scarring, especially along my jawline. So, and I can now do a skincare review. And this is what it comes like. It is almost full. Impressive. Honestly, why I'm feeling so terrible right now. Recovering from a nasty bout of malaria, which is really kicking my butt because I haven't had malaria in over a year. Everybody loves a cute compact mirror, a compact mirror. It's so cute, and it's branded from As I Am. Then I have here Planet's Paleo Primal Nutrition Evolved, a food supplement, digestive collagen, gluten-free and dairy-free. Vitamin, peppermint, digestive enzymes. Next thing you have is the Dr. Teal's aluminum-free deodorant that has magnesium and coconut oil and other essential oils with shea butter, arrowroot powder, and is aluminum free. It is clinically proven to protect against odor and absorb wetness. Smells like hair products. You know that nice smell that you'd have from like Cantu leave-in conditioners or daily leave-ins? Yeah, that's the kind of scent it has.
I'm excited to try this. Let's see if it will work for this Abuja heat, especially because I used to love using roll-ons but I needed to stop the sweat since I came back into Abuja, and I hate sweating except I'm doing certain things and except I'm working out, which I haven't done in the longest time. But yeah, I don't like to just sit and sweat. I have this microfiber towel from As I Am, which is cute. And the last thing is Fran Wilson Mood Matcha. So this was demoed at the event where it's supposed to match your mood. So if you look at it, you see it's blue, but it uses body heat and skin tone to customize a color specifically for you. So in all honesty, I'm gonna try it because one of the things that sold me is when you apply it, it does not leave any imprint on your glass or mug or whatever. Like when you drink, it doesn't leave any residue. So we are going to test it. Ooh, I like it. So first impressions, it is super hydrating. Like my lips feel like I just used a balm. I feel like I have moisturized my lips with lip balm, and it is not sticky. It doesn't have any taste. Yes, I licked it. It doesn't have any weird taste. And it smells like wax, like crayon wax. If you used to color with those crayons that you'd have to scratch off after something, that's what it smells like. It's a nice shade of purple, especially since I hate using purple on my lips, but this looks doable. Let me see if it's going to transfer onto my bottle of water. Stay hydrated, guys. Stay hydrated. Alright, so it actually did transfer. I don't know if you can see it. So it's not a terrible, oh my goodness, they lied to us kind of situation. I wish I had something white too. Oh, transfers. Transferred. But my lips still feel moisturized, so I mean 9 out of 10. And one of the things I was hoping for was they told us it was eating proof, drinking proof, and kissing proof, but it's obviously not kiss proof. So yeah, those are the things that I got from them, and they all came in fancy paper, which I'm about to trash because I just cleaned my room today. I'm not about to have stuff flying around. But I like the box. I like how the box came. It's really nice. And you can tell that these people actually put some thought into the gifts that they were giving the people they invited. And I like the fact that it was not as though, you know how there are some events I have attended and their packages that they want you to live with are just sad and weird. But with this, I kind of feel like, yeah, they gave us stuff and show great promise in terms of if this brand now reaches out to me and is like, oh hi, and we would like to work with you, or we would like to, you know, have you on a campaign or something, I would not hesitate to participate because of how I was treated the first time. And good vibes generally. I told you guys I'm trying to get my hair made, so this is the hair that I have, kinky bulk from past usage, and I want to have a big ass afro. I'm going to be using the cheesy duru style. I saw her video some days ago and I want that hair, even though I know I'm going to sweat, but I want it.
It's time for me to put this down and go downstairs to go and hustle food. So I just wanted to give you a close-up of what the mood matcha lipstick looks like. I like that it almost looks like, how do I put it? Almost looks like my lip, but then you now see the line. I want to use to make my hair, so I'm going to have to sit and sort it out, like separate them, detangle them. I probably will go to the salon to get the hair made and vlog it in my estate. So I'm currently in the kitchen and I am microwaving some rice. Quick story, guys. A few days ago I was hungry and I couldn't eat, or I was not even in the mood to eat any of the things that were in the house. So I took an Uber from my house all the way to a Chicken Republic to get chicken pie because that was what I was craving. And I also got an extra pack of rice because why not? So that is what I'm currently heating up to have right now. And I'm grateful for that purchase. I'm very grateful. So we're also low-key testing the mood matcha lipstick to see if it would actually still be there when I am done eating. I am weak. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoop, 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 whoop. The time is currently 3:05 p.m. and yum 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 yum. Some rice and chicken. I can still feel. Don't do that, guys. It's still cold, so I will heat it up some more. 30 extra seconds. Today is just going to be a regular hair day. I just took out my hair from cornrows. I don't know if you remember the hair video, shuku that I was carrying before. I just finished losing it. Currently watching some Grey's Anatomy and catching up with all the good finally on very final episode. So that feels good. Anywho, I am going to wash my hair now and definitely not making the hair today because I'm too tired. So I just washed my hair and now I am about to go in with the As I Am Hydration Elation Intensive Conditioner to condition my hair. Finally finished, conditioning, applying the conditioner to every part of my hair, putting it into twist, and I just popped a bag on because I don't have a shower cap, and this is just as good. I put on my bonnet to kind of give it the heat effect. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes and enjoy my movie. So I'm watching Frozen Part 2, which has been a long time coming. Let's see how that goes.